Welcome back. Let's check out some kitchen gadgets that will make your utensils jealous. First on our list is this automatic dustpan. Say goodbye to the days of bending over with a dustpan. This machine is always on, always ready, and it activates when it detects a sweeping motion. It has a 1,000-watt motor that zaps away dust, hair, and debris before you can say abracadabra. Just sweep crumbs its way and watch the magic happen. No bending or touching required. Perfect for pet owners and parents alike, it has 2 filters, so it doesn't just clean your floors, it purifies the air. Just remember, the broom is not included, so you'll need to provide the dance partner for this cleaning tango. Next up is this dual compartment trash can that makes it easy to sort your trash and recycling. It has 2 30-liter compartments with color-coded liners, green for recycling and black for trash. This stainless steel foot pedal lets you toss trash like a Jedi with just a wave of your foot. And the lids are slow close, ensuring you won't wake up the neighborhood when you dispose of your leftovers. There's also a built-in filter to trap odors and a lid lock that keeps it open when you really need it. This ice cube tray for your tumblers makes 3 hollow cylindrical ice cubes, perfectly sized for your 40-ounce tumblers. Crafted from food-grade silicone, this tray is flexible, elastic, and easy to use. Just give it a gentle squeeze and voila, out come your perfect ice cylinders. Stack them in your tumbler for that long-lasting chill, or pop them into any drink that can use a cool, slow-melting touch. These magnetic storage racks are a marvel of organization that cling to your fridge or any metal surface. Sorry, stainless steel, you're not invited. Each rack has a supercharged magnet on the back that can hoist up to 11 pounds. No nails, no fuss, just pure magnetic magic. They promise not to slide down your fridge, staying right where you put them. Each rack holds 12 4-ounce spice jars or larger items. The guardrail stands a vigilant 1.7 inches to keep everything from tumbling down, while smooth rounded corners ensure you won't play bumper cars in your kitchen. They can be purchased in various quantities from 2 to 6 packs, with 2 sizes included in each pack. The possibilities for decluttering are endless. This Ninja ice cream maker allows you to quell those screams for ice cream right in your kitchen. It's powered by a robust 800 watts and equipped with a 120-volt motor. Whether you're going keto, keeping it vegan, or just trying to cut back on sugar, this machine stands ready to turn your concoction into reality. Using it is as easy as pushing a button. It features 7 one-touch programs that control speed, pressure, and time, ensuring you get the perfect texture, whether it's ice cream, sorbet, or the perfect milkshake. With its Creamify technology, say goodbye to ice crystals and hello to creamy bliss. Feel free to throw in your favorite nuts, candies, or fruits during the mix-in cycle to add a personal twist to your frozen delights. Not quite soft enough? Hit the respin function to achieve that extra creamy texture. And if you want to turn your newly made ice cream into an ice cream sandwich, check out this ice cream sandwich scoop, which promises perfect ice cream sandwiches every time. This tool scoops up a perfect 1/2 cup portion each time, ensuring your treats are as uniform as they are delicious. It contains a stainless steel cutter and high tensile wires to make it easy to scoop out any ice cream texture. Just push, twist, and eject. Your perfect ice cream sandwich is ready to enjoy. This hands-free soap dispenser is equipped with a responsive sensor, delivering just the right amount of soap in a mere 0.3 seconds. Once the sensor detects motion, it dispenses soap without the need for physical contact. With 7 adjustable levels, this dispenser puts the power in your hands, allowing you to customize the volume of soap. It charges via USB-C and ensures up to 2 months of diligent duty on one single charge. It has a temperature display which monitors the ambient temperature of the room. Additionally, it provides clear indicators for both battery level and the fluid level so that you're never caught off guard. All product links can be found in the description. This box cheese grater makes quick work of any cheese or vegetable. It comes with 3 grating surfaces, coarse, medium, and fine, and switching between them is easy. The non-slip base is sturdy and the comfortable handle makes grating a secure experience, eliminating kitchen mishaps. The grating surfaces and base are removable and top rack dishwasher safe. For those stubborn bits, a cleaning brush is included to ensure your grater stays pristine. Love pickles? Then this glass pickle and olive jar is your new best friend. Simply flip it over and the juice will flow to the bottom, easily separating the pickles from liquids. Then flip the jar back over to allow the pickles to resubmerge in the brine to keep them fresh. The wide 4.5-inch mouth ensures that filling and fetching your favorite brine goodies is a breeze. It has a hefty 51-ounce capacity divided into its clever compartments. The airtight BPA-free plastic lid seals the deal, quite literally, keeping your contents leak-proof. Wish you could make more dumplings even faster? Now you can with this electric dumpling maker. It has dual modes, manual for hands-on enthusiasts and auto for those who appreciate a bit more convenience. With the auto mode, you can produce a perfectly sealed dumpling every 9 seconds, imitating the hand-pressed edges that are crucial for that authentic look. Simply place your wrapper, fill with the mixture, then brush a circle of water on the edges and let the machine do the rest. It's capable of making up to 1,500 dumplings on one single charge, and it's completely cordless once powered up. This means you can take your dumplings party anywhere. Have a dumpling emergency? Just a 10-minute charge allows you to whip up about 200 dumplings. Dive into the world of DIY dumplings and impress your friends and family. Next up is this suction cup dish brush. It clings tightly to the side of your sink thanks to a strong suction cup. It's equipped with durable bristles and a flat edge to help with more stubborn jobs. This brush is 11 inches in length and built to last. Just grab it, scrub, and put it back. Don't let your spatula flip out. Subscribe today. This finger protector is designed for those who love to chop but want to keep their digits intact. It has an adjustable open loop that comfortably fits most fingers, making it perfect for both left and right-handed users. The flexible ring ensures a snug fit, and it's made from stainless steel and a breeze to clean. This spiral slicer has 5 interchangeable blades ranging from 2 millimeters to 6 millimeters. It can handle everything from delicate radishes to tough sweet potatoes. Whether you're craving thin spaghetti, chunky chips, or even flat ribbons for salads, this gadget has you covered. The heavy-duty stainless steel blades are engineered to stay sharp and rust-free. There are 4 suction cups that firmly grip your countertop to prevent sliding. The included blade caddy keeps your blades organized and your fingers safe when not in use. This mini herb saver increases the lifespan of fresh herbs. Just rinse and dry your herbs, place the stems in the base, snap on the cover, and fill with water. It's dishwasher safe and made from 100% BPA-free materials. Next up is the stone dish drying mat, which helps your dishes dry super quick. It's 12 inches long by 16 inches wide. Safe and non-toxic, it can absorb moisture 1.5 times its own weight. Not just for dishes, you can also place it under your pet's bowls to keep that area dry. The corn stripper makes it easy to get fresh kernels off the cob. Simply place the corn on the top and twist. As the corn moves through the stripper, the kernels detach. There's also a safety handle to keep your hands away from the blades. Equipped with a non-slip ring, the bowl stays secure on any surface, making your stripping process clean and hassle-free. Both the stripper and bowl are dishwasher safe. This lid holder and trivet can support up to 10 pounds and is heat resistant up to 470 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be clicked into 3 different positions, so you can use it as a lid holder or serving dish. Compress it and it becomes a classic trivet. This also makes it easy to store. You can expand it completely to accommodate larger casseroles or to display multiple dishes. It weighs 2 pounds and supports lids of all sizes and shapes. There are small rubber pads on the bottom to prevent sliding. Go from cooking to serving in minutes. This triple meatball maker takes the mess out of crafting meatballs. With its innovative triple spoon design, you can shape 3 beautifully uniform meatballs at once. Just press the spoon into your mixture using a small spatula. And presto, perfectly shaped meatballs without ever touching the meat. There's no more dishwasher confusion with these dishwasher magnets. Simply flip the magnet from dirty to clean to keep everyone informed. It's made with a water and scratch resistant surface, ensuring it holds up against the hustle and bustle of a busy kitchen. It measures 7 inches by 2 inches. The back is a strong magnet covered with soft silicone to prevent any scratches or damage to your dishwasher or washing machine. Next on our list is this Bartesian cocktail maker, which lets you make perfect cocktails without ever needing to measure or mix. Whether you fancy a robust old-fashioned or a zesty margarita, this clever machine does all the work for you. Simply load it with the spirits of your choice and then insert a cocktail capsule, selecting the desired strength and hit mix. The system will draw the spirit from the appropriate reservoir and blend it with precision, delivering a mixologist-approved drink in seconds. These capsules, created by master mixologists, contain all the necessary ingredients like real juice concentrates, bitters, and extracts, ensuring each cocktail is delicious. No need to stock multiple ingredients. Everything you need to mix the perfect drink is in the cocktail capsule. Do note that the cocktail capsules and alcohol are sold separately. Cleaning up is just as easy, with an automatic cleaning cycle that runs after each creation. All components are dishwasher safe. So keep calm and cocktail on. This hydrogen water bottle generator turns ordinary tap water into a supercharged elixir. It rapidly infuses water with high concentration hydrogen ions. Say goodbye to plain old water and hello to a sip of science. Hydrogen water is thought to boost cellular health and battle free radicals. Just press the button to transform your water into a bubbly spa treatment. This select a spice carousel makes it easy to get the perfect amount of spice. Simply twist the dial to dispense 1/4 teaspoon measurements of the selected spice. It can hold up to 12 different spices and comes with 55 labels. Next up is this stemless wine glass chiller. It lets you enjoy your wine at the perfect temperature without the hassle of ice. It's designed to embrace your stemless glassware, ensuring that your wine's flavor is the star of the show. This chiller fits a variety of stemless glass shapes, but steer clear of flat-bottom glasses. Keep your old fashions and lowballs strictly on the rocks. Once removed, your wine stays chilled for over an hour if inside, and up to 45 minutes if outside in the shade. You can dip your glass into the chiller for a quick cool down, or leave it nestled to maintain maximum chill. Cheers to that. These under-cabinet wireless lights make it easy to put lights where you need them. Designed with your eyes in mind, these lights get brighter, gradually reducing the jolt to your eyes. A long press adjusts the light from 10% to 100%, while short presses give you quick access to 50, 75, and 100% brightness levels. The wireless wonders come equipped with 3 intelligent lighting modes. The night sensor mode activates with movement in low light, while the day sensor mode ensures your space is instantly illuminated upon motion detection, no matter the time of day. Thanks so much for watching. See you next week.